Hi, I'm Julie. Do you guys have a minute? I would love to show you one of my favorite things to do is to make a lemon lavender lip scrub. Super easy, takes about a minute. I'm going to use some nice coconut oil, and I like the ones that actually smell like coconut oil for this one versus the ones that I use for cooking that don't smell like coconut oil. I'm also going to use some raw cane sugar. I like the raw cane because it is bigger pieces of sugar and it's got a nice flavor and color. I'm going to use some honey, and my husband is a honey snob, so he likes the honey that has the honeycomb in it, so we use that, and also it's good. And then we're also going to use some lemon and lavender essential oil. All right, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take some of the coconut oil. We're going to have just a teaspoon of the coconut oil, and then we're going to take about 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of that organic sugar, and we're just going to add it into the bowl with the coconut oil. And then we're going to take the honey, and we have half a tablespoon of honey, and we're going to add that. I can't hold that up, or I'm going to get it all over my computer, so I'll show you guys. It's falling into that. And so you got just this. That's all you need, and you just want to mix it up really good. I did not think this part through. As far as it's falling all over my computer and probably messing it up. So you have a bit of a mixture that's a little thick at the end. Looks a bit like that. And then you take a drop of lemon oil, essential oil, and you drop that in. Oops. Or you can have 2 or 3. It doesn't really matter. It all is wonderful in the end. And then you do the same with the lavender, just a drop or 2. It always seems to get more than you want. And then you just mix that up, and it's actually all done. All done. And you just take a little jar. I like these little jars that HelloFresh used to send these, the honey in these little jars with the cute caps. But you can put it in any small little container. And then you're all done. If you guys would like this recipe, text LIPS to 910-446-3015, and I will send it to you. And to use it, you just take a little bit off and you rub it on your lips or on your elbows or on your heels or anywhere you have dry skin. And then you can let it sit there and try not to lick it off because it tastes really good. And then wipe it off with a little warm wet cloth, and your lips will feel amazing, better than anything they have out on the market. Super easy to make, takes less than a minute, as you saw, and most of this was me talking. So, all right, don't forget to text LIPS to 910-446-3015. And I'm Julie Wood, and essential oils don't work if you don't use them.